So guys, magluto tayo ngayon ng shrimp at saka kunting pork. Saka lagyan natin ng green pepper at saka spices, red onions. Ayan, ang shrimps natin guys, niluto na natin sa olive oil. Tapos ihalo natin mix sa pork. Ayan, so nilagay na natin guys ang shrimps. Ayan, masarap yan guys, ang shrimps. Tapos i-mix natin together guys. Ganyan lang, very simple guys, easy. Tapos madali lang lutuin. Express cooking. Ayan, ito na yung lunch ko guys. Tapos rice. So ayan guys, luto na yan guys. Thank you for watching guys. Let's eat.